Hey guys, it's Ashley, Carolina Trailer Sales, CarolinaTrailerSales.com. We're located in Pine Hall, North Carolina. We are by appointment only, and the best way to reach me is 828-773-4500. Text is best. So, super excited to introduce a super nice, clean, used Twister 4-horse. It is a 2017 model. It is a one owner. It is an immaculate shape. There's absolutely nothing wrong with it. I cannot fault this trailer for anything. Super clean, it's well taken care of. It's traded in on a brand new Merhow, so that is why it is here. They were downsizing to a smaller LQ 3-horse. So no fault of its own. It was just time for a change. Again, this is a 2018 Twister 4-horse. It is a 12-foot short wall. It is a 30-foot box, so it's not a real big trailer. It has a lot of nice options that I'm going to go through for you. So it is all aluminum. It is 8 wide. It is 7'6" tall. White, no graphics. It does have a stainless nose. I guess if I'm going to really pick on it, the only thing I can pick on is the Twister sticker has faded. That is the only thing that I can fault the trailer for. Twister sticker is faded. That's really it. Not a big deal. Cosmetic. Aluminum wheels. Does have a hydraulic jack lockable. Battery box. 2 propane tanks. Does have the stainless sides right here. So these are stainless nose as well. Does have an escape door. That window does drop. I didn't have the key as I was out here taking pictures and video and was too lazy to go get the key. So that window is identical. It's a little bit smaller window, but it drops and has bars as well. So 4-horse escape door with a drop window with bars. It does have 2 manger doors underneath those windows for storage. This is a side tack. So it is a side tack model. So your tack is here on the side with a door, has a 4-tier saddle rack, brush box, bridle holders, looks like the piece of carpet. I've got it in my hand. We'll just glue that back up in that corner right there so it kind of goes right there. Not a problem. We'll take care of that. It fell off during washing. So all that is someone has put some carpet there for those bridles not to rub the wall. Kind of a cool idea. We'll glue it back and get it right. That was actually not a factory item, but a great item. So we'll get it right. So you've got 4-tier saddle rack, two sets of bridle hooks, and you do have blanket bar tucked in here to the right. So super neat side tack. And with that side tack, what that enables you to have is a half ramp. Your ladder's on the back door, so it does have a hay rack. So ladder on the back door. It's got a half ramp, and it makes that first stall pretty big. I noticed that when I was taking the pictures and took the dividers down, so it makes that divider or that back stall pretty big. And the opening here does have a poured worm floor. It is lined and insulated. They do silver, so it is a lined and insulated trailer. It does have the nice 2 drops every other window, airflow dividers, lower divider. All this, the horse box is in excellent shape. Roof vents, 4 of them. So coming up, and I'm gonna see, I'll give you a shot of that window on the inside since I didn't drop that window. Smaller, but definitely a drop window with bars. It's got LED lights here on the inside, on the back wall there. If anything, there's some scuffing here on the wall, but it's fine. It's literally just scuffs. There's no tears, there's no big dents, there's nothing like that. So again, I can't really fault this trailer for much. The divider or lower divider has got some scuff marks on it, but again, it's not causing any issues whatsoever. So more or less some scuff scratches on that divider. Does have the manger feeders. So walk-through door. Again, 2 drop windows on the rear every other. 7'6" tall, 8 wide. Poured worm floor looks good. So horse box, an immaculate shape. It doesn't have any dings or scratches on the sides either. Again, I can't really fault this trailer for much. So drop window every other, a slider in between. Does have a manual awning. So that's a manual awning. This interior is a Pro line, which is a Outlaw conversion line, I do believe. So it's a super nice interior. Does have a flip up step here at the dressing room, or excuse me, LQ door. 110 outlet here on the outside as well. So this is a pretty neat layout. All real wood interior. It's a real pretty interior. That couch is a very big couch and does make a bed. Day-night shades. Let me kind of back up and you see you've got a little seat here as well. So you got the corner seat, a couch that makes a bed. So a little bit more sitting room in this trailer, which is nice. Again, cabinets everywhere. Rear kitchen, single sink with cover. 2-burner gas top stove, microwave. Does have the stove fan. I think I said day-night shades. Ducted AC and a propane furnace. Again, cabinets everywhere. There are 2 cabinets behind that, those 2 pillows and a mirror. Cabinet here. Cabinets above. It's got hat racks. I'll give you floor space. It does have a table, and the table and the leg are in the big closet in the bathroom. So it does have a big fridge, TV, radio. That's all tucked right here to your left. So it does have a pantry. Well, I'll take that back. That's not a pantry. It's double hanging space. So double hanging. Does have nice drawers, storage. Let's see if I can, all the books. Nice drawers, they're deep. Nice cabinet, hot water heater is there. You've got a big cabinet above. Soft touch on the ceiling. Soft touch on the ceiling. It's not on the walls. So soft touch on the ceiling, but not on the walls. It is pre-wired for a generator. It does not have a generator, but it's pre-wired. What does that mean? It means it's got all the wiring harness. So if you wanted to put a generator on it, it already has the wiring ready for that, which makes it nice. That's kind of, you got to step ahead if you're wanting to put a generator on. The factory's put a pre-wire harness and all the setup for that. All right, so stepping, the bathroom is a good size, has a pocket bathroom door. It has 2 mirrors, one on the wall, one above the sink and vanity. But again, this bathroom is very spacious. It's got the nice dome shower. It's big. Skylight. This is awesome. It's got this big closet, another hanging closet. So, you know, you could probably put shelves in that one beside the fridge and make it a pantry if you wanted. I don't see any reason why you couldn't do that. So this closet has double hangers. There's your table and leg. Solid wood doors, solid wood cabinets, walk-through door. It's got a couple cabinets here for good storage. These, I know you're seeing these in pictures. They're hooks, and we didn't want to take them off. So I guess if you need the hooks, there's a couple of hooks there. They were put on aftermarket. So super nice interior, super clean, no issues, no problems. Nothing I can actually tear it apart, pick it apart. This trailer is amazing. It's an immaculate shape. If you're looking for a 4-horse, it's not too big, but yet gives you a very adequate size LQ with some good seating arrangement and multiple cabinets, a nice interior. This will be your trailer. So it's a 2017 Twister, and this is an 8-wide, 12-foot short wall, 4-horse. Give you another view of it. This is Carolina Trailer Sales, and the best way to reach me, again, 828-773-4500. Also, go to carolinatrailersales.com for the price of this trailer, the pictures, and any more information that you need about it. But super clean, guys. If you're looking for a nice 4-horse, this would be your trailer. You guys have a great day. Thanks again for subscribing to Carolina Trailer Sales page.